Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on MetaTrader 5. If you want to buy something or sell what you want, I will do all these steps that you need to know to get yourselves a buy or sell position. So what we are going to do right here is first of all, we click everything away because maybe you don't have exactly the toolbars that I'm having. But right now, if we click right here on view, we needed that market watch right here. Because right now, if we click here, click to add, and we search for something that we want to trade. So let's trade Tesla. We select there Tesla, enter, and right now we throw Tesla right here to the chart. And now we can buy ourselves a Tesla position. Then right here, what we are going to do is we click here on new order. And now we can do two things. First of all, we fill in how much we want to buy. So one Tesla is fine. We can create a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. But the thing that is now important is if you want to sell, we click right here on sell. If you want to buy, we click right here on buy. You need to decide for yourself which one you want to do. So let's do buy. And then right now you see the market is closed because right now it's Saturday. So we can't buy ourselves a position. So when the market is open on Monday, you can buy yourselves a position. And this is exactly what you need to know how to buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.